guys. Doing some ditches out here. Jumping jack right here. I gotta go get my tools. So I jumping jack this whole straightaway right here. And then did a whole bunch of pipe. So I worked on these pipes over here for the beginning of the day, and then I worked on the pipe work, the big pipes, the 2.5, 3 inch, the second half of the day. So I was going to leave, and that's when I started doing the jumping jack for the last 2 hours. So I ran these 90s, they were right there, and then I can't really see it now, but they're in the ditch. Some of them go to this square right here, and then there's more of them. We go over to that square, foundation, and then some over to here, and then I think it stops right there, so no, maybe, yeah, anyways. So that's what I worked on today. I'm gonna head home now, but I have to drop off the work truck, so to drive to the shop and then pick up my car, and then that'll do it, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this. They said this job site might last 3 years just because there's the building behind me, and there's another building on the right and another building on the left, or that's actually gonna be a gas station or something. So yeah, if I could work here for 3 years, that would be great, considering I still want to be an electrician and all that good stuff. But 3 years here would be awesome if I can work on all of these, just because there's so many people at the company, and then you don't know where exactly you're going to be sent all the time. But if I could work here super close to home, which is awesome. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. A little change of pace working outside. It's supposed to rain tomorrow, so I'm just trying to work a little bit late and get some of the dirt work done, just so don't have to do that in the rain tomorrow. But hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Thanks for stopping by. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. It helps me out. And God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. I will see you guys tomorrow for Friday. This week is flying by, but today seemed a little bit longer. Just seems like it went by slower today. But anyways, I'm gonna go drive through this giant puddle of water. It's gonna be fun because this dude's in the way, but also I already did it before. So anyways, I'll see you later, guys. Have a great rest of your day. Peace out. Time to do some four-wheeling, baby.